Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sports accessories with a close look at the SPORTBIT ball pump. Renowned as the best beach ball pump available in the market. Let's start with an overview. The SPORTBIT ball pump is designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it perfect for inflating various sports balls like volleyball, basketball, football, and soccer balls. What sets the SPORTBIT pump apart is its innovative push-pull air delivery system. This feature allows you to inflate the ball with both the push and pull actions, making the pumping process quicker and less strenuous. Another standout feature is the durable needle plug system that prevents needles from bending during use. This ensures longevity and reliability, even with frequent inflation. Comfort is key with the SPORTBIT pump, thanks to its soft silicone mold that prevents slipping and fits perfectly in your hand. Whether you're at the beach or the court, this pump makes inflating balls effortless. To wrap it up, if you're looking for the best beach ball pump that combines comfort, durability, and efficiency, the SPORTBIT ball pump is the clear winner. It's designed to meet the needs of athletes and sports enthusiasts alike, ensuring you spend more time playing and less time pumping. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews. Stay tuned for the next episode of Product Critique. Until then, happy inflating!